Hello YouTube, this is a quick video on my Homestead pistol belt setup. I guess many guys nowadays, the cool kids call them battle belts, but for me it's a Homestead belt. This is what I carry around my Homestead if I feel the need to do so, which is not often, but I do have moldable sensor setups on my Homestead, and if someone walks onto my Homestead, I pretty much know it very quickly. And in the year that we've been here, I have had to run off several people. A previous owner's relative who was a bit on the junky side, shall we say. A few wayward hunters, and several fishermen who felt like it was public land and they could just come here and fish if they wanted it. None of those were the case. So in a situation where there might be trouble, I strapped this guy on. Let me roll it out here so we can see what we got. Okay, so basically this is one of those olive drab belts with the Cobra buckle on it. It'll fit most jeans, belt loops. That's obviously not what I'm using it for, but it's a nice belt, basic standard belt. It's probably like 20 bucks or something, 25 bucks. But what we have on here is our pistol, and this is a Ruger LCP Max. It's a 13-shot 380, and I keep it loaded with Underwood 90 grain plus P jacketed hollow points. That's the one round in 380 that gives you big gun performance, and this is the one pistol in 380 that, in my opinion, gives you big gun performance. So it's a pretty good combination, and I do not in the slightest bit feel underarmed with it, particularly because it comes equipped with great factory night sights. Very easy gun to shoot at longer ranges, 20, 25 yards, no problem. I have 3 spare magazines on it. We got a double over here and a single right here. The pouch has an Eagletac D25 600 lumen light. I have a Multitool, Leatherman Multitool, really good one. This holster is one I got off Amazon, but it's pretty nice. It's very secure, and I have added a retention strap to it, just to be sure. Don't want to lose your gun on that battle belt. For a knife, I have a Morakniv Kansbol. This is a very sharp knife, and I keep a speedy sharp knife sharpener strapped to the scabbard, as you can see. And then down the end here I have a dual-purpose flashlight. It has the front emitter as well as a forward emitter, and that's good for lighting up, keeping hands free, and being able to see what's going on in front of you. But this is a pretty basic setup. It's not too heavy, it's not too cumbersome. Well, I took a rifle sling pad and strapped that on, so I get some nice padding on my lower back. It makes it a lot more comfortable when you wear it all day, which I have done, but I rarely use this. I don't think things like this are practical for everyday use. When I catch a hunter on my land and I know he's going to have a high power rifle in his hand, or God forbid the zombies should attack someday, you know, you want something with some extra mags and some utility items on it. So this is a good all-around Homestead gun belt. It's there if I need it. Okay, YouTube, you all have a great day. Signing off.